Hey everyone, we have some Honda CRZ headlights finished up today. This customer sent in some OEM headlights for our bi-LED projector retrofit. These originally were halogen headlights, and so you can get a CRZ with the halogen or HID, and our bi-LED projector is going to outperform both of those. So you're going to see the most substantial difference, of course, if you're coming from a halogen setup. These were also pretty hazed over, yellowed lenses and whatnot, so we did a full lens restoration on these. So these were sanded down and re-cleared with 2K clear. And this customer also added the kind of aftermarket flexible kind of switchback tubular strip. So these were added in kind of like a Z pattern on the front bezels. So if you guys have a CRZ and are looking for upgrading the headlights, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. You can send them in, get the upgraded projector, get much improved lighting performance. Some customization options are available as well if you want to add those. And of course, if your lenses are in dire need of some restoration, we can get them looking fairly like new again, and at least get that clarity back. Obviously with the yellowed lenses and damaged lenses, it's going to affect the light output. So you're doing all this work to upgrade the projectors internally, and any customization you want. If your lenses are hazed over, definitely add the lens restoration as well. If you guys have any further questions about ordering, you can contact us via phone or email. Our contact information is on our website.